Another question. In your little book, you say something about the self and egoism.
Yes.
In Western philosophy and psychology, we talk about false self and true self. But what you say is that self is ego.
Yes. There is, I have written in my book, there are three stages.
Three stages.
Of ego. When you say and when you think, I am doing, so your name as physical is connected from this.
Right.
This is, you can say, this is the gross ego. Matter is connected, only physical is connected. But there is ego. When you say, I am doing, but something is inner in you, which you can feel very lightly. But there is something. So this can be called ego. But ego in subtle. But Babaji said, you can remove the ego, material ego, a gross ego, very soon. But you cannot get free from the subtle ego. But how he is? He is the master of universe and master of power of ultimate. Because in his vision, he took the 16 circle of ego. It means for the human being, so that we can progress very easily and very soon. So in his vision there is 16 circles. And ego touches us in various stages, though it is very subtle. But from the region of God, godly region, it touches us from the godly region. When you will cross that region, when you will, Babuji take you in Satyapad, then there no ego can touch you. After crossing 16 years, but after breaking the bondage of 16 circles, then you can enter in the center. If there is subtle ego, you can't. So this is the ego. But second stage, as I said, that first is ego. And second, you will feel when someone is calling you, Masuri, come here. I will go and do the work. But there will be no alertness for my name. Who is Kasturi? I know nothing. Who is doing? But you are doing. But there is no touch of I am doing. If you are saying I am doing, and your whole physical is saying that you are doing, it means gross. So in this way, only Babuji could do research that how can I can give the freedom from the ego. So in his vision he has taken 16 from toe to top. There are 16 from the godly region. 16. And if he wants, I should do thee, he can draw all the 16 circuits of you at once. But, as Babuji said, if you will remove the blot from this, but something will be there. Something will be there. So I want that there should not be something. So when I was writing this new book, it is not about 13 knots. So first I was thinking that knots means some bondage. But when I begin to write the book, then I Babuji showed me that, oh, there is not the bondage. But after cleaning the 16 wells, he can give all the conditions, divine conditions are there in the knots. Who can say his greatness? Who can imagine also? I can't believe that the divine word is correct for.
Thank you.
This is not, I can write. But now, when he keeps before me, then I write. As when you will see that A for apple, if you will teach a child, there is A. But he recognizes A from the picture of apple. So this is my condition. He is teaching like a child.
Yeah. Oh, just the way you are.